All right, guys, so we're back for what day is it? This is construction.
7?
Yeah, I think construction day 7. They did a lot, so it looks like that you guys can come over here. Make sure you guys subscribe. Please subscribe and follow us through the whole process of getting our store done. This is our first store. 2022 will be our second store, so we're trying to do 1 store per year. 2023, our 3rd store. So follow us if you have any business questions or anything like that. We are the people to come to if you have any ideas or want to know how you start your business. We are the people to go to. So they kind of cleared out the entire floor. And if you look over there, that's where they have all the tiles to redo our whole floor, which, you know, that was pretty awesome that we kind of got hooked up with that situation. It was kind of touch and go there. If you guys go back and check out some of the other episodes, you kind of hear our little concern. Ew, look at that bug over there.
Where?
Right over there. It's just a bug because you see all these little flies.
A fly?
Yeah, it's a little fly. You know, you see kind of like our little concerns. We have electrical concerns. You notice that this stuff isn't done. We're still waiting on the electrical guy to come out. I guess he can't do anything because the floors aren't done. So I assume they're gonna wait till the floors are done, right, babe?
I don't know, and it's really up to the electrician, his schedule and things like that.
Yeah.
So that's something that's out of our hands.
Yeah, but he probably can't do nothing with the floor like this. So they probably say, go ahead, give him the floor, and then we'll call the electrician in. He'll come in and then do it. And then after that, it's just paint and we're done. So
the floor should be ready tomorrow,
yeah,
huh?
the floor should be ready tomorrow. They'll probably put the tile on this little surface.
I'm about to cry.
Oh, you okay?
I'm so excited. No, don't record me, don't record me. Because it's coming together so good and so fast, and just imagining the tile here is like making me emotional because that's like the real deal. Like that's really when it's gonna be.
So the storefront is gonna look really good.
It is.
Storefront's gonna look really good. Our working area, we can cover up some patches and stuff like that with rugs and stuff like that because that's where Chelly's gonna be working. So she doesn't really care too much about how it looks back there, just as long as everything is functional. So as long as, is my head in the shot? Mm-hmm. Oh, just as long as the bathroom's functional, all the light sockets and everything like that is functional, and we can go into our office, you know, we can light up, you know, make our office nice and neat and stuff like that. And as long as the AC, that's really all that we care about. Everything else we can do as we progress.
Mm-hmm.
So I can't believe it. And those tiles look nice.
I wish you can see them.
Yeah, I know. I wish so too. But we got fresh tile all in the work area. Probably still add some cool rugs. Maybe get like a big FCD rug or something like that. It's gonna be so cool. This right here, we are leaving. So this is a little separate. We counted our counter. It's gonna be a little longer than this.
10 square feet
Yes.
long and 5 square feet wide.
Yep, so 10 by 5 counter.
I did contact Garcia Construction about how much it would be. No, you don't have to. About how much it would be. They're gonna get back with me tonight.
Great.
How tall do we want it? I want it pretty tall. I don't know how.
How tall?
Not that tall. I'm 5'1" on a good day.
Oh, so 4.5 feet?
Stop, 5'1".
Yeah, 4.5, because I don't want to bend too far over.
Yeah. So like right here?
Yeah, 4.5, like a Laura's height.
Where's my, yeah. Does this look like our floor in our house?
It does, because we have stained concrete in our house.
I was just like, where did I recognize this from?
They just epoxy this, but
Yeah.
that's cool. They'll put a pretty cool tile. And, you know, then we avoid smell and stuff like that. People come in with wet shoes. We got to put some good
For sure.
stuff right there, and then we can just...
Yeah, I'm happy that we're not getting like industrial carpet or anything like that.
Yeah, just keep a Swiffer sweeper.
Get the kids, go sweep kids. Every night we have to sweep.
The windows are so dope, guys. The windows.
I can't wait. What's a good view of you?
I cannot wait. Charlie's gonna be going back and forth. She can see out of there, but you're really gonna have to be right there if you wanna, well, that mosquito shouldn't.
I'm gonna be out here.
No, not whenever you're working. You know what I mean? Not whenever you're making shirts and stuff like that, but you'll probably do that whenever you're not in the actual store whenever it's downtime. So.
Hopefully Callie's back there doing it for me.
Right, exactly. Callie, we need you, Callie. Yeah, so.
Looks good.
Yep,
It
looks good. Day
good.
7.
1
Nothing
week.
much. We didn't, obviously, what time is it? They left at a decent time. Because
I don't know. 8, 7,
6:29.
6:30.
So 6:30. I still need to go get some spray stuff for outside. 0 smell.
Yeah, 0 smell for sure.
Nothing. So it looks like that they fixed the leak. Is that a crack? No, it's just a
Spider webs.
Yeah. We definitely got to come in here when they're done, wash the walls, just do a good cleaning on everything.
Mm-hmm.
I know all these walls are here will be painted, but remember, like, if you guys can go back and check out episode 1, there was like different rooms and there was a shower here and crazy. And it's crazy how all that is gone.
Like it was never here.
Like it was never
here. Never here. And we had the vision. We had the
never
vision.
believe that this place had a shower in it with with
rooms.
Different rooms.
1, 2, 2 rooms are right here.
2 rooms.
Oh, a reception area right here.
reception area.
Window here.
Yeah.
That is so funny.
You would never believe that.
I can't wait to see it all done.
That we will end this video with, just like how, if you go back and check out our other episode, how we saw the vision. Hopefully you guys see the vision. It made Shelly cry because she's seeing the vision. When we saw this place, we're actually supposed to get the one down there a little bit, but we had the opportunity to get this one for the same price.
Cheaper.
Oh, it's cheaper? Cheaper. Because there was so much work to do, but the guy really liked us, and you just never know. So you got to gamble on yourself. This is true belief in ourselves. 1 year. And it's only every year we will have a new store up until 2025 when we have our 5th store, our 4th or 5th store. So yeah, all you got to do is just believe in yourself. That's what we're doing. You know, there's a lot of things that we want to purchase. We want to purchase the fancy cars and stuff like that. We have the liquid cash to do it, but we're just investing ourselves. We're investing in ourselves so that we can pull away and just let the businesses put the employees in and just let them work, and we just crunch the numbers. Soon we're hiring an accountant, and then he'll crunch the numbers, and then Shelly and I can just continue to invest in other businesses, travel the world, continue this YouTube thing, and just keep doing well. So that's what we are here to do. We're young, we're still in our 30s, so we're trying to, everybody knows, well, if you don't know, I'm retiring by 40, I'm done. I just want my businesses to run themselves so I can go off and do whatever the hell I want to do. So I'm grinding hard in my 30s with my wife. She's still young, she's young.
33.
Yeah, 33, yep, so 34 next month, so she's got a long time to just enjoy it. So listen guys, if you have any questions, any concerns, hey, how do you guys do it? Please let us know. We're gonna be not doing any courses, but we're definitely gonna be doing more live business things and more live business videos so that you guys can just learn from us, because we are nobody special, just regular people from small towns. All right guys, you know my slogan, we are starving. All we had today was breakfast. So let's go get something to eat, babe. I love you.
I love you.
Peace.